Selamat sore, good afternoon from Brisbane, Australia. Today I will unboxing a lens from Fujifilm. So this lens I will bring to New Zealand, North Island next month. So this lens I dedicate for landscape travel photography, because last time I'm unboxing 70-300 for wildlife, and now I need the landscape with the wide angle or ultra wide. So already here, Fujifilm XF 8mm F3.5 RWR. So I ordered on Amazon. Still segel. Let's unboxing. Let's unboxing. Look at this. Still segel. Yes. So when you open a layer one, we got the pouch lens and manual book, and let's check layer two. Yo, you can see, look at that. So we got hood here, Fuji. And this is the lens. Look at this. So handsome, typical Fuji lens. Handsome. You see that? Ooh. Wow. Handsome, right? So yeah, I need this lens for landscaping photography. Click. New Zealand, I'm coming. not only that one, I'm ready to order protection from Fujitsu protection. It's so important for protect your lens. Okay, it's like manual guide. So this one, ooh, look at this. Let's yo. Already protection from Fujifilm protection filter. It's time for trying. Maybe I will try around here. Maybe let's try. Okay, now we put on my favorite camera, XE5. Let's put it. Until click, it's perfect. Look at that, so handsome here. Like that, or if you like this. Wow, look at this. It's so wide. Wide. See it? Is it? It's wide, ultra wide. It's good for interior. Look at it. It's good for landscaping without fish eye. I don't like round. You know, if ultra wide, it's a perfect ultra wide. Try here before we go to New Zealand tomorrow. beautiful. Love it. Not only that one, I'm already order a pouch. I like a pouch like this from GC because it's good if you put on the bag, in the bag. GGC, but I don't like this one. I like I don't need it, this one. So just like this, put on in your bag, protect your lens. It's better. See, let's try. If I put on here. This. And maybe that hood. See? It's a perfect size. This one, right here, but without hood. See? It's right here. Lens. GGC is my favorite pouch. If I travel, just put in a bag. The lens will be protected. Okay. Click. Perfecto. Perfecto. Okay, thank you for watching.